Welcome to the demo on Kovair DevOps. In this video I will show you how easily we can create, execute, and monitor DevSecOps pipeline using Kovair DevOps platform. As you can see, Kovair DevOps is a 100% web-based application. Let's log into the application. Upon login, users will be able to see the list of pipelines along with the linked project and release. By expanding a pipeline, one can also see the overall run summary in a graphical manner for last 10 runs. Users can also filter out pipelines list based on text search, by projects, or by releases, or a combination of both. Kovair does not only allows you to create a pipeline from scratch, but also allows to derive from an existing pipeline to ease out the pain of creating new pipeline every time having redundant tasks. Let me now open an existing pipeline. As defined in the pipeline, at first the code will be checked out from GitHub followed by Maven build and static analysis using Veracode. In case any vulnerability is detected by Veracode, automatically a bug will be posted in Jira, and also the result of the scan will be posted in Slack. If there is no vulnerability noticed, then the build will be deployed at staging, and a dynamic analysis using Veracode will be performed. Like the static analysis, the dynamic analysis result will also get posted to Slack, and in case of any detected vulnerabilities, a bug will be created in Jira. Finally, using Kubernetes, the build will be deployed to production, and the feedback will get posted to Slack. With that briefing about the pipeline, let me execute the pipeline manually. Once the pipeline is triggered, the console will show us the overall progress for each tasks. This helps in troubleshooting and monitoring the overall progress. As you can see that the first task and second Maven build task has been completed, and the static code analysis task getting executed by Veracode. You can also see in the console that 17% of the overall pipeline has already got executed. In this case, since the Veracode static scan will complete without any vulnerability, you will see that all the consecutive tasks will get completed, and the pipeline will move to the step of dynamic code analysis by Veracode, taking the overall completion percentage to 50%. As the dynamic scan will take good amount of time, let me now move forward and show you some other capabilities of Kovair DevOps. Let me first show you how Kovair DevOps also provides a graphical view of the pipeline. Now let me show you how easily we can edit or create a pipeline with simple mouse clicks. I will open an existing pipeline. Using this option, I can edit an existing task and select the tool as per our business need. When we try to edit a task or create a new one, there are several options as getting displayed on the left-hand panel. Under SCM we have Git, GitHub, SVN, TFS. We also support build tools like Maven, MS Build, similarly for deployment Docker, Kubernetes, JFrog and Ansible. We also support manual tasks where we just need to write the task details, and email notification can be sent out to the assignee. We also have integration with ALM tools like Jira, ServiceNow and Kovair ALM. In case if we want to execute some PowerShell, SQL or command line commands, that can also be done using Kovair DevOps with the help of custom commands option under utility. Let me select Execute PowerShell option. Based on the operation selection, the input and output parameters get determined. In this case, we need to provide the command that needs to be executed. Just like input parameters, there is also a provision to capture the output of the execution through output parameters. Just like input and output parameters, one can also define certain and pre- and post conditions against each task, and make the execution of the tasks conditional. Kovair also supports parallel tasks and creation of multiple stages. In this case, once all tasks of previous stage gets completed, all tasks of the next stage gets executed. You can create as many stages as you want, there is no limitation of creating stages and parallel tasks. Kovair also allows you to create a pipeline using YAML. This helps users to create a pipeline using code instead of getting into the UI of Kovair DevOps. Users can relate and manage releases in Kovair DevOps platform. In this screen, as you can see, one can see the list view of some existing releases along with planned and actual dates and linked projects. The warning sign shows that the release is not linked to any pipeline. We can create or derive a pipeline to link with the release from this UI only. Not only list of releases, Kovair DevOps also provides an option to view the release calendar. It displays all the releases within a specific time frame. Users can change the view to monthly view or weekly or daily. Implementing DevOps is not the end of the journey, as measuring the benefits of the implementation is the key for project success. Kovair provides several out-of-the-box reports, and the reports can be added to as many dashboards as per your business need. You can filter out reports based on releases or projects, or a combination of both. Here we have configured a dashboard for the demo containing these reports. Overall pipeline summary shows the current status of the pipelines, how many are passed or failed, how many still running. Overall run summary shows how many completed execution is passed, and how many got failed. Overall execution duration summary distributes releases based on the pipeline execution duration. Overall release count gives you the completed versus total release count. Release efficiency distributes releases based on automated and manual tasks. Average task duration gives you the line graph based on task duration. This is what I intended to show in the demo today. I hope this demonstration gave you a good idea on how Kovair DevOps helps organizations to practice and monitor the implementation of DevOps. Thank you for watching. To know more about Kovair DevOps, please visit www.kovair.com or contact sales@kovair.com.